Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and we have a new bag for you. But before I show you the bag, I want to show you the inspiration behind it. Are you ready? Right here. This little bag here, little Velcro there. That was the inspiration behind this bag. And here's the bag. This is called the Mini Nomad because it's a smaller version, basically, of our Sleek Nomad bag. Here. And here, I'll show you check it out. Sleek Nomad, Mini Nomad. So I just wanted to show you what this bag can hold, because that's always the question, what can it hold? First of all, it comes with a 48-inch shoulder strap from here to here, 48 inches. When I wear it myself, and I have a long torso, this is how it falls on me. Okay, so right there. Okay, so what's in it? Oh, by the way, the shoulder straps are permanently attached. All right, well, obviously you can hold a phone in the front pocket. And then it has a stud closure. And inside, so I'm going to do something unusual here. I'm going to take out the stuff in here, and then I'm going to reload it with something else so you can see kind of two different carries. Because this is not something I would carry. Keys, I hate keys. Lip gloss, definitely not Lip Fusion lip gloss. I'd carry a pen, but not an Energel. I'd carry something like this. All right. Comb and a big ass wallet. So that's what we got into this bag, and that is a very comfortable, light carry. Now, let's pack it out and show you what else we can put in it. So we're going to move all this stuff over. And let's start with the journal. So you could put, this is a pocket-sized Kaye. It's modular. It's our Royal Tempest. But it has two individually removable pocket-sized Moleskine Kaye refills. Obviously, those were our own. So you could fit one. You could fit two of these in here, okay? And plus a couple pens. You know, like these two pens. But for me, I put something to write in. I need glasses, so I'm going to put my glass case in there. And then I'm going to put a card case to hold my credit cards and business cards and stuff like that. And then I'm going to put in a couple pens like that. And that's a pretty handy little carry. And so then I'll close it up with the stud closure and put a phone in there. This is an iPhone 7 for size. So, and there you go. That's what else it'll hold. So that kind of gives you an idea of this. Overall, this bag is 6 inches by 8 inches, and it's got a little gusset in there too, so you can really pack it out. And that's it. Our new mini, what is it? Say it out loud.
Mini Nomad.
Mini Nomad. Yeah, our new Mini Nomad. So enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the bag. Bye.